Hi guys, so on this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano magpalit ng air filter or air cleaner. Papalitan natin ng bago. Ito yung bago natin. So yung pinakauna mong gagawin dito is you will have to open the clamps or yung mga ito. Meron siyang tatlong lock, isa, dalawa, and ito yung isa, tatlo. So to open this, pull it up. Ito pa. Yung kabila, nasa ilalim yung kanyang lock. So just pull it. Yun. Yun. Mahirap kasi mag video and mag open at the same time. So yan. Yan. Ito yung lumang air filter ko. So kukunin natin yan. Papalitan natin ng bago. Ito yung bago. Buksan natin. Ito yung bago. Now to remove, just lift this up. You can pull it down. Yun. Yan siya. Pulin lang natin. Medyo madumi na siya. Puti ito nung una guys. Pero sa katagalan, syempre iitim. Let's set this aside. And ito naman yung ilalagay natin. Yun. Ayan. So once inside, isisentro mo lang yung parang gap sa loob. Isisentro mo lang siya para mag-fit. After na na-feel mo na parang nag-snap in place na siya, next is to lock. Yun. Now we have a new air filter. Ito yung luma. So yung next natin na papalitan is yung cabin filter or yung aircon filter. On this part, ang ipapalit naman natin is yung cabin or aircon filter. The easiest place to access your cabin or aircon filter is dito sa passenger side, sa front seat. To access your cabin filter, simply lang open this one, yung glove box. Pull it sideways. Yun, tatanggal lang siya. Yun. To access your cabin filter, eto. There's a clip here na pwede mong i-push, itulak, and i-pull. Yun. So, this is my old cabin filter. Yun. Ano to? Ano to? Parang hindi yata nalagay ng maayos yung cabin filter ko. Anyway, that's that. Hindi ako makamove on dito. Ano yan? Anyway, ito yung bagong cabin filter natin. Follow mo lang yung instructions. Upside, dapat facing up yung arrow. Lagay mo lang. Yun. Next, close mo lang siya. Yan. And that should be the process or the steps to change your aircon filter. Kaya to.